Skin vitamin C serum are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best skin vitamin C serum from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Number 1. For supple and hydrated skin that glows like a light bulb, get your hands on the best drugstore vitamin C serum with hyaluronic acid from TrueSkin. Its formula is infused with the star ingredient, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a gentle yet effective form of vitamin C. It also consists of other key ingredients, including aloe vera, witch hazel, vitamin E, amino acids, jojoba oil, and botanical hyaluronic acid, which soothe the skin and strengthen the skin barrier. Our team discovered through using this product.
Number 2. Finding the ideal skincare products for sensitive skin is a tough task, but you can trust this immensely popular vitamin C serum from CeraVe. It is formulated with 10% L-ascorbic acid, which visibly makes your skin soft, supple, smooth, and glowing. That's not all. It also comprises 3 types of ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which strengthen the skin barrier and help retain moisture, making it the best drugstore vitamin C serum for sensitive skin. After putting it to the test, we observed that it repairs damaged skin.
Number 3. Try out the best drugstore vitamin C serum from Tree of Life without burning a hole in your wallet. It will be a game changer in your skincare routine, whether or not you are a vitamin C novice. It shows remarkable transformation with consistent use. The lightening of hyperpigmentation and overall brightening of skin becomes apparent within the first few uses. Based on our first-hand experience, this serum has several anti-aging benefits and acts as a shield against free radical damage. Number 4. Take home some K-beauty secrets with this vitamin C serum from SoulCeuticals for healthier and younger-looking skin. It is a powerhouse of antioxidants with active ingredients like sodium ascorbyl phosphate, Centella asiatica, vitamin E, aloe vera, ferulic acid, hyaluronic acid, and arginine, to name a few. This serum will not only protect your skin against environmental stressors, but also the potential damage caused by blue light, making it the best drugstore serum with vitamin C. When we trialed this product, we found it felt a little sticky initially, but the feeling dissipated, especially. Number 5. This vitamin C serum from Vichy Laboratories is one of a kind with its incredible formulation. It has active vitamin C in the form of 15% L-ascorbic acid, vitamin E, and pine polyphenols, which work together to shield your skin against the environmental stressors that it might face daily. This amber-colored lightweight serum is the best drugstore vitamin C serum dermatologist recommended. Our investigation demonstrated that it has a watery consistency that is easy to apply, but it may not be for sensitive skin types. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.